Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Indian-style scrambled eggs. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fresh eggs, finely chopped onions, tomatoes, and green chilies. Don't forget your essential Indian spices like turmeric, chili powder, and garam masala. Having everything prepped makes cooking smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add your finely chopped onions and sauté them until they turn a lovely golden brown. This step is crucial for flavor. Next, stir in a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Once the aromatics are ready, add your chopped tomatoes and cook them down until they soften and release their juices. Then, it's time for the spices. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, and salt to taste. Mix well. Finally, pour in your whisked eggs and let them set slightly before scrambling. Continue to gently scramble the eggs until they are cooked to your desired consistency, but still moist. Just before serving, sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala and a generous handful of fresh, chopped cilantro. Give it a final stir. Serve your flavorful Indian scrambled eggs hot with toast, roti, or paratha for a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.